Good morning. In the afternoon today, I will write you a small presentation in the front of a nice trip. The content in first, the presentation. Second, travel experience and continuing climate of the place. And finish for recommendations to make the trip. Presentation. My name is Lorena Fernandez. I am 29 years old. I work in a road construction company in the administrative area as a secretary. I am currently studying environment and engineering at the university. I have a 3-year-old baby whom I love with all my life. I live in the municipality of Mosquera, Cundinamarca. In the four, here are my parents and my sister. My sister. In the fog, I am with my son in the park. This is municipality of Mosquera, and I live. I'm present in my workplace.